T3 headset installation. Take out the speaker, microphone, and two types of Velcro. Remove the helmet liner. Square Velcro is attached to the side of the inner test near the Bluetooth headset. Round Velcro sticks to the earpiece position inside the helmet. The other one is mounted on the other end of the handset. Attach the end of the microphone to the square Velcro. The other end of the microphone is placed on the left side of the inside of the helmet and aimed at the mouth. The short end of the cable is connected to the end near the Bluetooth headset. The other speaker is attached to the end away from the Bluetooth headset. Tidy up the extra threads. And then put the lining back in.